It's never too late to improve your skin's health.
Keep watching as we uncover our most simple skincare tips that will help you achieve the best skin of your life. I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Amanda.
And we're the Green Beauty Collective, natural makeup artists, skin specialists, and holistic nutritionists. And we are here to help educate you on healthy and sustainable beauty.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified for when we release a video every Tuesday.
Skincare and skin health doesn't have to be overly complicated. By the end of this video, you'll realize that there are some things that you can start doing today and incorporating into your daily routine that are super simple. Some of these things you might already be doing, and these are all things that will help improve the health of your skin overall.
Step 1, it might be obvious, but we'll say it anyways, drink more water. Why? Because our body is made up of 60% water. That's a huge one. And also we need to stay hydrated. It helps to flush toxins from our body. It helps to keep us more regular. It even helps to keep your joints more lubricated and overall feel better. And for those of you who feel like you don't like drinking water because you don't like the taste, a really easy way to make it super delicious is to add some fresh herbs like rosemary or mint, add a few strawberries in there, maybe some oranges. You can start experimenting with different combinations of herbs and fruit.
Cucumber.
Cucumber is so good, yeah.
So our second step is to wear sunscreen every day. And this is something that is always neglected by many people in the world. Not everyone wears sunscreen every day, not to mention even on hot sunny days when they're at the beach. And sun damage doesn't actually show up on the skin right away. It can take years to start to show on the skin. So it's super important to protect your skin and wear your daily sunscreen of SPF 30 plus every single day.
Step 3 is cut out sugar and processed foods. I know you've heard this before as well, but here's your gentle reminder. The reason for this is sugar can cause inflammation in the body. Eating processed foods are void of nutrients and minerals and vitamins. So if you need to bump up your intake of vitamins and minerals and nutrients, one of our favorite local companies is Pranen, which is a whole food-based supplement company, but I would consider it more of a whole food product than a supplement or a vitamin. Cutting out the sugars and processed foods and adding more whole foods into your diet is going to nourish your body from the inside out. So if you take in those high quality vitamins and minerals, nutrients, even your protein, carbs, and fats in a whole food form, you're going to notice an improvement in your skin's health.
So we all have concerns with our skin, so we want to know what your biggest concern with your skin is. Make sure to comment in the comment bar below, and that way we can make better content for you. Step 4 is using natural skincare products. And the reason we say this and promote using natural skincare products is for a couple reasons. We want to ensure that you are able to avoid toxic chemicals in your products. And that's not to say that every single conventional skincare product is bad for you, but we do have a list of about 12 to 13 ingredients that we do suggest avoiding. If you go onto our website at thegreenbeautycollective.com, under education and ingredients, you can find that list to help you avoid some toxic chemicals in your products.
Another great reason to start incorporating natural products into your skincare routine, even your body care routine, is a lot of these products will contain natural ingredients that are nourishing to the skin, they're repairing and hydrating, and actually act like food for your skin, just like you're going to be taking food, whole food supplements for your body.
So the last reason we promote using natural skincare products is to keep your skin's microbiome healthy. And a lot of conventional products do have very harsh ingredients, especially when it comes to cleansers. They're very stripping and strip the skin's natural oil production, as well as good bacteria, as well as bad bacteria. So you want to make sure that you're keeping that skin biome very balanced and healthy, and natural skincare products can help you do this.
Step 5 is the most fun step of all, in my opinion, and it's smile more, love more, and get active. And what we mean by smile more, bring joy into your life. What brings you joy? Ask yourself that question and how you want to feel, and I think you'll be able to figure out what makes you smile. What makes you smile?
Life.
Life. That's actually true. Yeah.
I get really excited about very little things.
And that's okay. The little things are special.
So that's also loving your community. And some of the things that we do for our community is donating different beauty products to women in need. Whenever we do event, we collect things like clothing and personal care products to donate to the community. Also supporting local businesses as well is really important to us. So spreading the love and just supporting people around you really makes you feel good when you can't do it for yourself.
Get active. Get active. We like to get active. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll see on our stories sometimes that we go for hikes, bike rides, any type of movement. You're a dancer. I like yoga, roll around with puppies. I don't know.
I rollerbladed the other day. I also almost died. So yeah, get active, do the things again that make you feel good and happy. Don't go for a run if you don't want to go for a run. I hate running, so I don't do it because it makes me feel like crap. But I love hiking mountains and getting to the top and looking at the views. So whatever that means for you, get outside, get active every single day, and you will feel so much better and it will show in your skin. See, skincare can be simple.
If you're curious about how your nutrition and diet can directly impact your skin's health, we also made another video that's called 5 diet tips for beautiful, glowing skin.
You can find the link to that in the description bar below. Also, if you'd like to join a community of like-minded people, we've created a group called the Green Beauty Community, and we focus on all things natural beauty. We will also put the link to that group in the description bar below, and anyone can join in on the green beauty fun.
On the conversations.
So if you enjoyed this video, please let us know by liking and commenting below and subscribing to our channel if you would like to be updated on our weekly videos. And with that being said, we will see you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.